The Sunjoe SPX 4800 is a powerful electric pressure washer that delivers a water pressure of 3,200 psi and a flow rate of 1.3 GPM. With its durable construction and quiet operation, it provides a reliable choice for cleaning various surfaces like cars, fences, patios, decks, and sidewalks. The pressure washer comes with 5 quick connect tips, allowing you to adjust the spray pattern for different cleaning tasks. It also features a detergent tank for easy application of cleaning solutions. With its versatility and performance, the Sunjoe SPX 4800 is a suitable option for tackling dirt and grime effectively. The Greenworks 3000 psi electric pressure washer is a powerful and reliable tool designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Equipped with a 14-amp brushless motor, it delivers an impressive maximum pressure of 3,000 psi and a maximum water flow of 2.0 GPM. This makes it ideal for cleaning driveways, decks, and patios. The pressure washer features a hassle-free push-button start, providing easy operation for users. It is highly praised for its power and usability, making it a top choice for tackling tough cleaning jobs. This pressure washer offers convenience and efficiency, allowing users to achieve outstanding results. The Simpson PowerShot 4400 psi gas cold water pressure washer is a robust and high-performing cleaning tool suitable for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning tasks. With its powerful engine and durable pump, it delivers impressive performance. This pressure washer comes with a 50-foot kink-resistant hose, offering convenience and flexibility during operation. It is designed for both consumers and professionals, making it a versatile choice for various cleaning needs. This pressure washer is equipped with included nozzles, further enhancing its usability and efficiency. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional cleaner, this reliable tool is up to the task. The Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful and durable home cleaning tool designed to effectively tackle various cleaning tasks. With a maximum pressure of 2,000 psi, it delivers high-performance cleaning. The water-cooled induction motor ensures longevity and reduced noise during operation. Convenient storage is made possible with the pressurized hose reel. The pressure and flow rate are adjustable with the Ryobi Power Spray Wand and Dirt Blaster Spray Wand. The detergent flow dial prevents wastage, and the pressure washer comes complete with an LCD full control spray gun and a 3-in-1 multi-jet spray wand. Made in Italy, the Karcher K5 Premium is a top choice for homeowners seeking reliable cleaning equipment. The Ryobi 2300 psi brushless electric pressure washer is a powerful and efficient tool designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks at home. It features a high-performance motor and a gas-style pump, allowing it to swiftly clean driveways, decks, windows, and more. The pressure washer includes a turbo nozzle that ensures speedy cleaning, while the non-marring hose extends reach without leaving marks. With convenient features like the onboard detergent tank and durable hand truck design, this pressure washer guarantees years of reliable use. It is backed by a 3-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for long-lasting results.